Yes, sir.
Okay, now we are going to start the question number second. Okay, beta, read the question. I will give the answers.
Credit sales to Mridula rupees 5,000 were recorded as 500.
Okay, credit sale to Midula. Okay, regarded that is 5,000 but regarded 500. Okay, it means we are going to do the entry credit sale to Midula means Midula account debit to sales. Okay, beta, means Midula account debit to sales, Midula account debit to sell. Okay, on the place of 5,000 we are entered only 500. Okay, it means less amount entered. So for correction of this, we are going to do the same entry with the difference amount. If we are going to do the next entry, Mridula account debit to sales 4,500. Okay. Then by the both entry, this full correction is ready, Uta? Ready, na? Why? We are going to sell only 5,000, but we are entered only 500. Then we are going to just new entry, same entry again with the difference amount. By that we are going to rectify that error. 5,500 we are entered. On the place of 5,500 we are entered with the entry. Only 4,500 remain. So by this 4,500, we are going to do the same entry. Then full amount will fulfill. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, go for the next. Go for the next.
Credit purchase from Naina 8,000 were recorded as 800.
Credit purchase from Naina. It means purchase account debit to Naina. Okay. On the place of 8,000, we are entered 800 only. On the place of 8,000, we are entered 800 only. Okay, beta? It means we needed one more entry because by the fulfilling of these things, we needed more entry. As like that, you have to pay to anyone 800, but you are only paying 400. So then again, you are paying 400, beta, na? So that thing is going on here. On the place of 8,000, we are just putting the entry, same entry, but only 800. So same entry, purchase account debit, Naina with the difference amount. On the place of 8,000, only 800. The remaining amount 7,200. By this, we are going to fulfill the rectified entry. It's a rectified entry. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay, go for the next.
Goods returned to Priya 12,000 were recorded as 1,200.
Okay, goods returned to Priya. Okay, it means it's a purchase return. Okay, so
Yes.
Priya account debit to purchase return 12,000 is there, but we are entered beta amount
Sir, 1,200.
1,200. On the place of 12,000, we are entered 1,200. Then again we are doing the same entry with a difference amount to fulfill the things. So then again, Priya account debit to purchase return the difference amount 10,800. 10,000. Okay, this is the rectified entry. Okay, we are not doing this entry now, only this. Okay, this to I only give to you all for make you all understand. Okay, this is the rectified entry. Okay, clear? Okay, go for the next.
Goods returned from Rasi 10,000 were recorded as 1,000.
Okay, it's a sales return. Sales return account debit to Rasi. We are putting this entry. Rashi. What amount is there, beta?
10,000 is recorded and in the place of 10,000, 1,000 is recorded.
1,000 we record, but needed the 10,000, but only record 1,000. Again, same entry with the 9,000. That is the rectified entry. Sales return account debit to Rashi 9,000. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, go for the next.
Sir, over this question.
Over. Go for the next question.
Third, rectifying the following errors. Credit sales to Mridula 5,000 were recorded as 5,400.
Okay, it's a more. Okay, now we are going to enter the more amount. Then how we are going to correct? Just opposite entry by that more amount. As like that, if you are paying anyone on the place of 1,000, you are going to pay the 1,200. So how we are going to correct? We are going to get back that 200 rupees. Okay, and by that we are managing the rectified. Okay, it means what entry is done? Just opposite entry done by the difference amount or more amount which we are given. First entry, first is
Credit sales to Mridula 5,000 were recorded as 5,400.
Mridula debit to sales. Okay, on the place of 5,000 we are entered, wrongly entered 5,500. Okay, how we are going to correct? Just opposite entry with the 500. Opposite entry with the 500 because 500 is more. Then it will be sales account debit to Mridula with the 500. Then 500 will cut from this 5,500 and then the error will rectify. Because when we are going to transfer this entry in a sales account or Mridula account with the 5,500, okay, 5,500 more, then we are transfer this second entry just opposite side 500, 500, then total amount will rectify. Okay, beta, clear? Okay, go for the next. It's clear, beta, Ajit?
Yes, yes, sir. Sir, in the place of 5,000, it is 400.
In the place of 5,000?
400 is there.
Okay, no problem. We will check with the amount. Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Credit purchase from Naina 8,000 were recorded as 8,800.
Okay. Credit purchase from Naina, then entry purchase account debit Naina. On the place of 8,000, we are putting 8,800. Okay. More amount we are putting the beta. Same thing. Just opposite entry with the difference amount or more amount. Naina debit to purchase 800. Okay, beta. Clear? Naina debit to purchase 800. Then it's a rectified entry. It's a rectified. This entry we are done with. This is the rectified. We are doing only this entry. Okay. When you are going to solve the question, we are doing only this entry. It's only for understanding. Next.
Goods returned to Priya 12,000 were recorded as 12,200.
Okay. Goods returned to Priya. It means it's a purchase return. So then entry beta. Priya account debit. Account are not using. Debit to purchase return on the place of 12,000, 12,200. Okay. Then how we are going to find? Just opposite. Purchase return account debit to Priya. Amount 200 and 200. Okay, beta? Amount 200 and 200. Clear? And this is the rectified entry. Okay. That will done at the time of solving the question. That question only, that entry only for the make you all understand. Okay, we are doing only this entry on the time of solving the questions. Okay, but next.
Goods returned from Rashi 10,000 were recorded as 11,000.
Okay, goods returned from Rashi is sales return. Sales return account debit to Rashi. Amount beta?
10,000.
10,000. On the place of 10,000, what amount were entered?
11,000.
11,000. On the place of 10,000, we are entered 11,000. Then rectified it to just opposite. Rashi debit to sales return with the amount of 1,000. Okay, beta. This is the rectified entry. I can finish this question also.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, beta. On this way, we are solving the questions. When the case is coming more or when the case is coming less amount entered. Okay, beta. Clear? Okay.